I'm Ellie.
And I'm Sophia.
Before we present our movie, we just wanted to let you know some background information for what we made.
Our movie is a spoof combining two of Alfred Hitchcock thrillers, Psycho and The Birds.
Psycho features a young woman named Marion on the run to join her boyfriend in California when she meets an unsettlingly peculiar young man running a roadside motel.
While The Birds centers around a different woman, Melanie, traveling to a small coastal town to pursue a budding romance, but instead finds herself facing mysteriously murderous birds.
We hope you enjoy.
Good afternoon. I was hoping to buy a bit of bread. By the looks of this place, I'd say you could be of help.
Why, yes. Yes, of course. May I ask what your name is?
My name is Hans. Handsome man. Any recommendations?
Well, we have many different types of bread here. For example, this nice banana loaf.
Isn't that just a basic wheat loaf?
Oh, how silly of me. Would you fancy a nice blueberry bagel?
That's a breadstick. It's literally called a stick. It's in the name.
Well, it is only my first day here.
No, it certainly is not. Not to worry. Perhaps I'll be back another time. Maybe then you'll be more educated on the goods.
Are you sure you wouldn't like a nice brioche bun?
Baguette!
Oh, I'm such a fool. Acting so silly in front of him. Perhaps he'll come back someday and I can charm him properly. He's such a handsome fellow, isn't he?
Oh, look at the time. I should go. I mustn't be late to pick up my shipment from the bread factory. It's quite the drive, you see.
Hello.
Hi, do you have any vacancies?
We always have vacancies here.
Great, can I book a room under Mal Marion, please?
Wow, really? Just like that? Huh. Bold move.
If I could just book one as quickly as possible. I'm terribly cold and rather tired.
Of course, of course. I'm Norman, by the way. Norman Birds. My apologies. I'll get that room for you right away. I didn't mean to rustle your feathers.
Good morning.
Morning.
I was gonna ask about these birds last night, but I was in such a hurry, wasn't I? Is that one there for decor too?
It's for whatever I want it to be.
Alright then, I'm gonna go on a walk to stretch my legs before the drive.
She's never late. Perhaps my dropping threw her off. She was having trouble naming basic breads. I suppose it was quite cute. Well, she should be here soon. Right? Good evening.
Good evening. Can I help you?
Well, yes, actually. This is the third rest stop I've been to off the highway and haven't found who I'm looking for yet. It's a young woman, you see, by the name of Marion.
Interesting. She did stay here.
Oh, thank goodness. I've been waiting for her.
Have you a liking for her?
Oh, I shouldn't say. But can you tell me where she is? It's important.
Well, I haven't seen her around lately. I didn't want to intrude. Perhaps she's in her room, cabin 13.
Thanks. I'll go check. Marion? Marion, where are you?
Good boy.
Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly,